This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location services in the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To enable or disable location services, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left hand corner, up to the little red O. You want to click on the red O. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways to where you see the permissions section, and right in here, Location, you want to click on Location. Up top here, Default Behavior, gives you two options. The top option, if you toggle this one on, sites can ask for your location. If you toggle on the bottom option, don't allow sites to see your location. That is how to enable or disable location services in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.